Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain where is sales order that created in desktop version in QuickBooks. So let's get started. In QuickBooks Desktop, sales orders are available in the Premier, Enterprise, and Accountant editions. They are used to record a customer's order before creating an invoice. To create a new sales order, go to the Customer's menu at the top and select Create Sales Orders. This will open the sales order window where you can enter the details. If you want to find an existing sales order, you have two options. First, open the Customer Center, select the customer name, then go to the Transactions tab and click on Sales Orders. Here you will see all the sales orders for that customer. Second, you can run a report by going to Reports, then Sales, and open Sales Orders by Customer. You can also use Open Sales Orders by Item if you want to see sales orders by product. Remember, sales orders do not affect your accounting until they are converted into invoices or sales receipts. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.